I'm now going to demonstrate wire cutting and cable stripping with EZE Pull Ultra Crimp. The under cable stripping notch just here, operated like so. We're demonstrating with EZE Crimp this time and going to show you how safe it is to cut wire. This is high tensile wire and you've got both ends of the wire in your hand. High tensile wire can be dangerous if handled badly. This is quite a safety aspect. To strip undergate cable with EZE Crimp, just place it in that notch there, wrap it round once and release the tool and off it comes. We've got the basic EZE Pull here, the one with just the 2.5 crimp notch, wire cutter in the same place as Ultra Crimp, but the cable stripping is different. Pop it in there like so, wrap it round and off comes the wire. Our tools are manufactured to a high specification, they are cost effective, are of proven quality and have a long life. To avoid any disappointments, remember to look for Johnston Manufacturing on the handle castings of the tools and original New Zealand EZE Pull on the crimp sleeves. Use as per instructions to obtain the ultimate performance. Using our system will save time, money and help prevent injuries.